Right, welcome back to Moners. So it's been a while since my last update on the pod, but we've managed to do quite a lot, especially since the lockdown's going on. A lot of time on my hands. So I've just been putting together these IKEA units. As you can see, it's stressful to say the least. It is going alright, but they managed to send us the wrong door for there, and I think they sent us two dodgy hinges, so that's great. But other than that, they're coming on. So what we're having here is the sink unit. So that's, I don't know how big it is, to be honest. Gonna have a sink on the top and shelves below. These, just done these are, you know, just drawers. You wouldn't believe how long it took to make the drawer. It was really painful, but the second one came along alright. So in here you can't really see, but we've actually got the ensuite all plumbed in. If I put the door back, you might see the, yeah, you can just about see the shower. So that's all plumbed in. Nothing's connected to the water yet because it's in its temporary location. I think in the next few weeks we'll be going down to its spot and doing a lot of, well, hedge cutting and chopping down trees to make space for it. And we'll also be working out the sewage system because we'll have to plumb in the septic tank. So that should be good. Generally it's coming on alright. Gonna pick up some more matchboarding on Monday, so tomorrow, to finish these walls off. And work on the kitchen top, which is down there. I have to do a bit of a clear out, as you can imagine. That's just full of cardboard and stuff. I had nowhere to put it. And should be grand. So yeah, I'll just carry on adding some clips of me struggling with this IKEA furniture. See how it goes, I guess. Hope you enjoyed the video, and yeah, we'll carry on. Okay, so we built most of it. So we managed to bodge the door, so it's like a drawer now, as you can see. It came out pretty well. We need to finish this door because it is just sat in there at the moment, because the hinges they sent us were broken, so I'll get a set of those ordered. Got the top on temporarily, you know, because it's still in its packaging. Just figuring out what we'll do. I think we'll do like a little bookshelf or a mug storage, or, you know, glass or something, a shelf on the end here just to hide the white background, and then chop it, I don't know, there. Then have a set of table and chairs here, and of course the double bed over here, which should be grand. Still state in there, but on the next clip I'll have cleared it out, so it should be good. I think the boiler's coming. Well, I haven't ordered the boiler yet, so I don't know what I'm talking about, but the boiler will be in there, so we've got space to send the water through, and then we'll hook up a LPG bottle out the back. Here's a window, I think I've already shown that. And yeah, the drawers are fine, really. I haven't got any handles on, and I can't actually open that. Yeah, I can't open it. So yeah, there's that. The electrician needs to come in, but of course I can't get anyone in because of the coronavirus. So that's on the to-do list. But yeah, I'll carry on and yeah, see how it goes.